Hey guys, welcome back to another Mike's Visions. Let's today work on the CT, and I've got a little helper today.
Hi.
Who's going to be running the camera for us as best as a 6-year-old can, so we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, let's get started. Okay, when you take these rims and you put new tires on them, you got to get the bearings out. There's two tubes in these. This is for the back tire, this is for the front tire. Why they're so different, I couldn't tell you, but they are. So I remember this goes in the front. So I got these to do the bearings. Take bearing, turn on, get yourself a nice soft mount. If they don't want to work, cooperate. Get some of your one of your old bearings. Put it on the top.
Doesn't want to cooperate. Whoa.
There. Just like that. Nice and flush. Now, flip it over. Put this guy in. Drop it right down in there. You can see there's this lip. That's right here. Got to make sure you watch that. Okay. Hold on real quick. Oh, that last one was kind of a little bit tricky. All you got to do is get yourself some oil. Just a little tiny dab. Nothing crazy. Okay, just move it around. So, give a little in here, there. Let's try that again. Okay. Ha! See how much easier that was?
Got some slippage.
Yeah. So, little quick story about these rims. Took it to the local shop. Got these tires put on. Rims got damaged. Rims got replaced. So, whenever you take these in to get tires put on them, always tell them they have to use the spoons. They can't use their machine that they want to, because the machine will put these big gouges and ruin these rims. It makes these rims real freaking wobbly. So, all right, let's put the front tire back on real quick. This new tire on. Got the tread going the way I want it to go. I always put the nut going on the same side as the bolt. So I want to go this way. So I want the nut on this side. I'll show you what I'm talking about. tipping the bike over. Goes washer. Oh.
Want me to grab that for you?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, don't do what I did.
Definitely put that right there, and that would hold it up. Well, it might. It won't. It's too heavy. It's like,
There we go.
I won't. It will.
Okay. Got that on there. Got it going the way I want. All we gotta do. And for now, that'll work.
Looks brand new.
All right. Now let's do the back tire. Same thing. Take our penguin bearing out. Side bearing. If you look down in here, there's a lip. Okay. Can't really see it. There's a lip down here that the bearing will sit down into. Just get yourself some oil that drips down the stem.
Got a leak.
Like this. Same thing. Put that in there.
Slippage is jippage.
Boom. Flip it over. Drum brake side. Drop our axle tube back down in there. Okay. Get bearing. Okay. Nice and greased up. Boom. Done. Okay. Now that's done.
Bada bang, bada boom.
Let's put our new 60-tooth sprocket on. Always do the riding up. I think it's cool. Come over here and take a look at that. Look down on that right here. So, okay. Get yourself now. This is a personal preference on how you go about this. We're going to drop them down in. 1/2 inch. Okay. Okay. What's weird is the nut is a 1/2 inch nut, right? This guy, this bolt, is a number 10. Well, you'd think, well, number 10 is a 1/2 inch.
That's not.
What happens is, you know, I don't know. So, anyways, what you do is, I've done these 3 already. You get somebody that doesn't have fat hands or big hands, and you drop that down in there. In my case, I've got the big fat hands. Drop it in there about 3 or 4 times. Say a bunch of choice words, and you'll eventually get it. So, now that I got that on there, all I gotta do now, let's get this up in there, like so. Take your drill. Okay.
That's loud.
Same thing. Get on there. Okay.
You could have just lost that thing forever.
They probably do have a torque spec to them, but I like to do the German way that I was taught, good and tight. Oh. Oh.
She told you. Got it finally. Gotta be careful with that wrench, Dad.
Okay. Thank you, buddy. Okay. That's it.
Oh.
That's for the back sprocket. So.
Okay, let's
All
turn
right,
off the
let's get it
GoPro.
mounted up. Okay, let's do the brake segment real quick. All you're gonna really need is something to scuff up the brakes with it.
A sponge?
I put on gloves because I don't want to get fingerprints all over everything, get this all greasy and stuff. Pretty simple. Get your new brake, put your springs together. Yeah, grab your old brake. All you do,
It's been shaking.
yeah, it's on there real well. That's that. Just repeat. So these are the difference.
You can tell that
Come
that
here,
one's
Mace.
brand
Get closer.
new.
Well, yeah. You can see how this one's got slots in it and this one's smooth. There's nothing wrong. This brake's still got a lot of meat left on it. What you could do if you were worried about it is, if you don't want to use it, just go through and clean that all off if you wanted to. But we're upgrading, so
Bye-bye.
all we're doing is gonna
Scrape that one
scuff
off.
up that a little bit.
That's a horrible sound, my guy.
Okay.
This guy's shaking again. He's cold. Too much.
No, it's not cold. This thing's just super tight.
Need 2 people?
No.
What?
I don't know if this is the right brake for this.
It's not. Oh, angry Hulk coming out.
Okay. Get one side going. There's one side.
Oh, finally.
Let's get the other side. Holy cow.
It did not want to go on, but I was just like, fine, I'll go on.
Wow.
Brand new.
Yeah, there it is.
Well, the bottom's not brand new.
Yeah, I guess that's the right brake. So, yeah. And then that's the new brake. We're worried about it. Pad.
That's really loud. Everybody get some earbuds on. Right, Dad?
Yeah, this just goes back in like that. Voila. That's done. Alright, guys. So sorry. Rookie mistake. I ran out of battery on my freaking GoPro. So you guys weren't able to see me put the back tire back on. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. The only tricky part I will say is to make sure that you definitely remember the order that those spacers go back on. Yeah, it's pretty easy. If you have a rack on the back of your bike, it's a little bit more challenging, but it's not bad. Yeah, those tires that are on it now are way better. The bike sits higher. That new brake really works out really well. I'll do another video where I'll cut the chain, put the chain on it, and we'll take it out for a nice little spin and see what it does. See if it's faster, which I think it will be. So, but all right, well, guys, that's for tonight's video. So make sure to like and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Tell your friends. I think we have 118 subscribers now, which is insane to me, but it's awesome. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned a little something tonight from these videos, and like I said, please make sure to like and subscribe and tell everybody about this video. Alrighty, guys, have a good night.